When you clean, you are used to doing the same thing, and you sort of get into a schedule of cleaning the same things with the same stuff the same way, and that's great. But every now and again, there are things that we tend to forget that we do need to clean, or they will start to look and smell dirty. So in this video, I am going to show you 4 of those things and show you exactly how to clean them. We throw our food and garbage away in them, but how often do you give your trash cans a good deep clean? Cleaning your trash will eliminate any odor it may have and get rid of germs, which will help keep you and your family safe. There are many products you could use, but I prefer a good antibacterial for this job. Monthly? I know I didn't, but after making this video, I am adding this into my monthly cleaning routine. You will want to check with your dishwasher manual to see exactly how to clean your model, but most dishwashers have a filter that you want to make sure you clean on a regular basis. This will help prevent clogs, which reduce the amount of water circulating during the wash and rinse cycles. Dishwasher nice and sparkling clean is to sprinkle the bottom with baking soda like I am doing here. Then you want to fill a measuring cup or any cup that is dishwasher safe with about a cup full of vinegar. Place that in the top rack of your dishwasher and run it through a cycle. You will be so surprised at how clean this will get your dishwasher. Washers help us wash our dirtiest clothes, but did you know you should also clean your washer? This is super easy and can be done with just vinegar and baking soda. To the highest level and hottest setting. Then add 4 cups of white vinegar to the wash cycle. Next, you'll want to run another wash cycle using 1 cup of baking soda. A good wipe down to remove any grime using your vinegar solution. Use an old toothbrush to get any small areas like the bleach and fabric dispensers. While you're working on your washer, you might as well clean your dryer. So you can give the top and the inside a good scrub down with your vinegar solution. And then move on to the lint trap. Make sure you get that nice and clean, and you can give it a good soak in a tub full of water. The last item we're going to talk about in this video is the vacuum cleaner. Most vacuum cleaners have one or more filters that need to be cleaned or replaced on a regular basis. The filters are there to keep dust and dirt inside the vacuum. If the filters get clogged up, you may just be spreading dust and dirt around your home. Each vacuum is different, so you would want to check your vacuum's manual on the best way to clean yours. With dogs in our house, this is something I need to do more often. There are 4 things that you might have forgotten to clean, but now you know exactly how to do them. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you need to clean any of these items. I will see you all real soon in my next video. Bye everyone!